Hello guys, how you doing? So, just a quick update on a new stuff on which we released on Moonly on Friday. So, as you can see, this is a new NFT stats page, and here we have a new chart which is combining three charts into one. As you can see now, we have a floor price, total listed, and volume over here, and as well as a floor thickness. So here we have this some new data points like a floor thickness. You're probably wondering what is a floor thickness. So it's basically a tenth NFT from the floor price. So because sometimes the floor might be very tiny, and here with this data matic you can have a better sense the floor what is the actually floor thickness. That's actually the kind of the first name came to my mind, so we can rename this to have more sense, but this is just something we released we want to release. So the price change uh, in the Solana, so you can see how much the change in Solana was in 24 hours, and of course the uptrend in 50%. Also the price, the lowest and the highest price in the last 24 hours. Volume, of course, total listed with the percentage now. So we didn't have percentage now. We just had this number. Then you need to do some math on your own. But now you have, just see it's 3%, 3.5 percent listed. And also this useful stuff is how many sales was in 24 hours. And this give you some sense how actually activity is happening out there. Next to the volume, of course, volume also gives you sense of the activity, but the number sales is very useful. And the top sale. So you want to know what was the top sale for a day. Now you can know without going to Magic Eden and scrolling and try to find it. And the same thing is here for 7 day stats, but since we released this 2 days ago, the data might be the same as the 24 hours until we have data actually for 7 day stats. And here we have Bohemia history, so historical stats. So total number of sales from the day we track. So this is, we cannot get this data from the past. So from the day we started tracking, and the top sale from the day we started tracking. So yeah, as you can see, Bohemia, the floor price is 15 something sold, but we know that there was a top sale in the last 24 hours, which was 40 sold, and which is really nice to know that. Also, we added this monitor from the monitor page, but a simpler version, the top five. So the people who are actually searching for Bohemia or coming from search engines, Google, can actually find the other popular project and also a couple of upcoming projects there. Of course, there's a lot of things to be improved over here. This is just initial version. The social stats as well is they're combined, so we're gonna see if it's gonna stay like this or we're gonna separate this in two chart. But since we're adding more and more data and more stuff, we need to find ways to make more things more compact so we don't have too much space around. Of course, on my screens are wide, I have space, and we will actually over time widen it, but for now it's like this. So would like to you to test it out, to play around and give me feedback. What can be improved, what data points you would like to see, or even remove over here. I'm not sure if you are using a alert feature. It's a very useful. You just say, all right, let me know when Bohemia is above 17, so and boom, that's it. So that's it. I mean, there's a bunch of other things which we improved over the last couple of weeks, which is not visually actually be able that you can visually see. A lot of optimization out there. a lot of things about on automation and the scraping and APIs. But overall, we are working nonstop and improving on them only, and cannot wait to release a new update with new features. So thank you everyone who joined on the community on our Discord. It's growing actually. In I know in almost a week we got a 3,500, so almost 4,000 now, from the day we started promoting, actually from the day we started doing collaboration with other projects. So we are just warming up. It's gonna be even more crazy. So yeah, that is it. Talk to you guys. Peace.